Hello, let's take a look at your MT1 LT4 affirmation. On this first question here, I don't expect to see any work on this, but we got it wrong, so we need to understand what we did wrong. And I think it's just vocabulary. The vertex is a point. So if we look at angle 1, what point is it? Well, it's point Q. So that's all we need there. When you name the sides of angle TQR, let me highlight those two sides. You put an angle symbol in, that's where the computer counted it wrong. They're just rays. It starts at Q, so it goes ray QT and ray QR. I'm going to erase our highlighting for our next question. When we name angle 2, and let me, once again, I will highlight angle 2 here. You can name the angle, but you have to have the vertex as the middle point. And there's two ways to do it. And they're backwards from each other. So we could say angle SQR. And that's what now that's where you have your angle symbol. You had the angle symbol, but you didn't have the letters in the right order. Or it could be backwards. Angle RQS. Both of those are correct. And that's all we need for that one. When we take a look at this problem, this is where I would like to see a little bit of work. You don't need a lot of work, but you need a little bit of work. Part of your work, you could take this shape and put it into your work. Just copy. You don't have to copy down the problem, but copy down the shape. Now we're told angle PQR is 143 degrees. So I'm going to put that in here. So P to Q to R, this whole angle is 143 degrees. We're also told angle 1, let me use a different color here, angle 1 is 58 degrees. And you're supposed to find the measure of angle 2. And you didn't show any work and you got the problem wrong. If you would have just got the problem right, we wouldn't be talking about it. Using our angle addition postulate, we know the measure of angle 1. I'm going to rewrite that. It looks kind of sick. My angle didn't show up quite the way I want it. Plus the measure of angle 2 equals the measure of angle PQR. I don't know if you need to write this down, but I'm going to write it down so I can explain it to you. The next step I want you to write down. That is, we know angle 1 is 58 degrees. We're supposed to find angle 2, so the measure of angle 2. And PQR is 143 degrees. Well, now we're just going to do the algebra. What do you have to do to get the angle 2 by itself? We have to get rid of the 58. So we're going to subtract 58 from both sides. And then we'll do the algebra. The 58 minus 58, they cancel. Bring down the measure of angle 2. Now let's subtract. 13 minus 8 is 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. So you get 85 degrees. And that's what I was looking for. This is the kind of work I want to see, especially this last part here. Let's take a look at another one. And once again, I maybe might suggest that you draw this out. We're told the measure of angle J to K to M is 101 degrees. So I want to mark that down. 101 degrees is J to K to M. We're told angle NKM is 33 degrees. So I'll put 33 degrees here for NKM. We're told KN bisects angle LKM. Well, bisect means it goes right through the middle. So if NKM is 33 degrees, we know LKM is 33 degrees. And then we're supposed to find the measure of angle JKL. So we can use our angle addition postulate again. We're going to say, oh, the measure of angle JKL plus the measure of angle LKN plus the measure of angle NKM. Well, that equals the whole angle, which would be the measure of angle JKM. So it's kind of like the previous problem, just a little bit more complex. Now, I don't know JKL, so I'm going to leave that alone. We know LKN is 33 degrees. We know NKM is 33 degrees. And we know the whole angle JKM is 101. So this is the kind of work I want to see. Now combine our like terms. So we're going to say the measure of angle JKL plus, well, 33 plus 33 is 66 equals 101. We're going to do it kind of like we did the last problem. We're going to subtract 66 from both sides. So we bring down the measure of angle JKL. 66 minus 66, well, that's 0, so I don't have to do anything there. And we'll take 101 minus 66. 11 minus 6 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. There's your angle, 35 degrees. That's the kind of work I want you to see. I want to see when you redo this. After you redo it, upload your work to Schoology.